Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tamara and I'm back with another video. So today we're going to be doing a room tour. I've not done a room tour since I first started doing YouTube. I believe that was like my very first video that I've ever done, and that was like 2.5 years ago. So I want to do an updated version of my room tour. It's pretty much kind of like the same concept, but it's a little bit more glamorous and a little bit more luxury looking. And before we get this video started, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you guys get notified every time I upload a video. So far as video ideas, I've been thinking that I want to upload a video every Thursday. Once again, make sure that you guys are subscribed. I want to do a giveaway once I reach 100. So make sure that you guys are subscribed, and I'm gonna keep saying it because I've been doing YouTube for a minute, and I understand it's kind of like my fault that, you know, I'm not really consistent when it's coming out to my YouTube channel, and I want to be consistent. So to support me, just make sure that you guys do that. Once again, hit that bell so that you guys do get notified. Okay, so the first thing that you see when you close my door, you see this thing that I hang up, like my purses that I'm using at the moment, my earmuffs, my gloves, and all that kind of stuff. Moving this way, I have this glittery canvas. I believe I got that from Ross near my old job, and I have like nothing on the floor near it. So right here is my closet, and I'm really special in there. So right here I have my nightstand. I got my rug from TJ Maxx, and what I have up here is my lamp. This little box where I keep my remotes in, my phone holder, and then a cute little vase. I don't remember where I got that from. I've had that for years, so I'm not really like sure where I got it from. This is my bed. I changed this bed so many times, but I think I'm like completely satisfied now. So above my bed I have these two mirrors. I think I got those from Five Below, like probably like 6-7 years ago. Looking closer, me and my sister, well, my sister kind of made the canvas for me, but I came up with the idea. It's supposed to be beautiful, but it's like BU, you know, you get it. So so it says beautiful. And then I have this bed. My bed is from a local furniture store that's near my house. My mom got it for me, so yeah, it's called Discount Rugs and Furniture. So then I got these little wire lights. I think I got those from Target, and I love those because it makes my room look like extra girly, and it's so pretty. So all my pillows on my bed are from, ooh, hold on, Home Goods, except for this one. This one, I don't know where this is from because my mom bought it for me. And then that other sparkly one, the pink and purple one, that one's from Walmart. But all the other pillows are from Home Goods, even like the pillows back there that I actually sleep on, because I don't sleep on any of these pillows. People think that I do, but I don't. That's also where I got my lamp and my nightstand from. So my actual comforter, I got this comforter from TJ Maxx. Then I got this cover from the throw from TJ Maxx or Home Goods. This one or two, they basically like the same. And then I got this, it's like a little bench, but it's like furry. I got that from Home Goods. So coming on this side, I don't really have anything special. I have another nightstand, which is from Home Goods. I got this cute tray, is from Home Goods. And then I got a candle and a picture of me when I graduated from 8th grade, another candle. Then I got this heater because I don't know if y'all can see, but I have an attic in my room, and it gets so cold here in my room in the winter time. So this area right here, this is like my business area. Like I mentioned before, I have my own business, so I have my little desk. I used to do my makeup here, but I don't really wear makeup like that anymore unless I'm going out. But all my stuff for like my makeup is downstairs because I have clients, so I just keep that downstairs. Right here, I also do hair, so all my hair stuff is in there, so I can like just take it and go. Up here I have my binder for my company. Then I have my packing slips, and I have my scale. Then I have like all my products, my lashes and my glitters, and everything is organized. I have more packing stuff. Yeah, so everything is in there. On top of my desk I have a mirror that I barely even use. This tea, I got this from, I believe it was Michael's. And I got this pencil holder from Home Goods. Lamp is from Home Goods. And also got this from Home Goods. This says Faith Can Move Mountains. And then Women on a Mission. I bought this when I started my business. And I keep all my notes in there. My glasses. My MacBook. I did a sip and paint like 1.5 years ago. And this is the picture that I did. I'm an artist, okay? I didn't know I knew how to paint or draw until that day. Because my sister is the artistic one. Here, I have a speaker. Yeah, right here I have my speaker, my necklace, some jewelry, my sage when I get out tense, I need it. My makeup brushes that I don't use. Yeah, I have a lot of makeup brushes, so these are the ones I just keep in my room. If I just have to do my own and I don't feel like using the ones I use for my clients, I use these. Right here is like my own hair stuff, wigs. It's just all kind of hair products. Nothing really special going on here. Right here is my dresser. I got this dresser from the same place where I got my bed from Discount Rugs and Furniture, and I love this dresser because it has like deep drawers. And I actually just got this probably like 2 months ago, and it's like the cutest thing ever. I'm so happy that I got it. So up here I have all like my skincare, face, just body care, contact solution. I got my watch up here because I plugged my watch into my TV, but I took the cord out so it won't be like just laying up here, so I just put my watch right there. Right here is a rose that my boyfriend got for me. I love it because he knows my favorite color is pink. And then I got this thing. It's like a cup vase type of thing. I've had this for years. I got this from Home Goods, and this thing I got it from Home Goods too. Up here I got this cute like wall decoration. I don't know what you call it, but I just hung up on a wall, and I got that from Home Goods. Right here I got this vase. This is like one of the first things that I bought. Yeah, one of the first things that I bought when I was moving into this house, and I got me some fake flowers. Got me a candle, mahogany coconut. And my sister did not like this one, I love it, but I love it, so I took it. And then this is a picture of me and my best friend Shakayla when we went to prom back in 2015. Then I got this cute little glass like crystal cup. I keep my keys in there if I bring it upstairs. And then right here is like my chores and all the other stuff. So that's just this little area right here. And I'm gonna just give you guys another, you know, circle of my room. It is so cute. I'm obsessed with it. And yeah, I just realized that I did not say where my chair is from. That chair is also from Home Goods. I was going back and I totally like realized I disregarded the chair, but yeah, it's from Home Goods. Okay guys, so that was my room tour, and I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. I am not doing another room tour for a long time because I don't plan on changing my room at all, because I'm very happy with the way that it looks now. I will be changing my room most likely probably when I move out, but that's not anytime soon. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, make sure that you guys are subscribed. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. And I'm holding my ring light and my arm is hurting, so I'm gonna make this outro quick. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.